We are pleased to show you the 2024 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, keyless entry, center armrest, trip computer, compass, fog lights, clock, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, brake assist. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.